Creating a video detailing transitions between phases of the construction process of a project is a relatively simple procedure. It involves a few basic programs that are already installed on your workstation and that you're most likely familiar with. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will be using Bentley MicroStation, the Microsoft Snipping Tool, Microsoft Paint, and Microsoft PowerPoint. To begin, with your design file open in MicroStation, make sure your orthogonal photography level is activated and zoom into your particular area of interest. Here is where you'll establish the exact boundaries of the transition area you wish to document. Once your boundaries are set, you must not move or zoom in or out. It is crucial to the process that once set, these boundaries do not change. This will help to maintain both photographic location and scale while ensuring a static aerial image during the transition animation. Make sure the proper levels are activated according to the phase of construction you wish to detail. In this case, I want to show every phase from pre to post construction, so I'll start with just the aerial photo to show existing conditions. Once your view is set, open up the Windows Snipping tool using your Windows search feature, or by selecting it in your Start menu under Windows Accessories. Make sure the Snipping tool is set to Window mode and take a screenshot of your MicroStation window. Copy that image or save it locally and open up Paint or the picture editor of your choice, again by using your Windows search feature or by selecting it in your Start menu under Windows Accessories. Open up your save file or paste the copied screenshot into Paint. Now you will need to clip everything out of the image that you don't intend to show. Go ahead and clip the image so that only the limits of the aerial photo are shown. Luckily, the MicroStation window borders provide a well-defined area you can use to aid you in clipping your image. Be sure to save your image with a name that denotes not only its physical location, but its chronological order in the construction process. Repeat the process for each subsequent phase of construction you intend to show. If done correctly, each individual picture file will have the exact same dimensions, area, limits, and scale. Once you've created and edited the photos for each phase of construction, it's time to import them into your PowerPoint presentation slide. For the sake of time and convenience, we'll focus solely on the effect we wish to achieve, and not on other slide composition options available to you in PowerPoint, as these options are endless. You should import the photos in the chronological order of the construction phasing. You can import photos via the Insert ribbon by selecting the Pictures button. When you import the picture, the native aspect ratio and size of the picture is automatically locked to preserve the relative scale of the original photo. Should you choose to change the size and dimension of a photo, be sure to do the same to every other photo as well. You can also simply drag and drop the picture file into the slide from your Windows file browser. After your initial photo, you will need to provide an animation effect to each subsequent photo. These can be found in the Animations ribbon. The combination of the static background of each photo and the addition of each new photo via animations are what create the effect we're after. In this instance, I'll be using the Shape animation for the addition of roadway and striping, and the Fade animation for pedestrian facilities, medians, and lighting. Don't forget to edit the duration of each animation effect, and make sure each effect is triggered manually on click. This will come in handy for narration purposes, which is detailed in a future module. Since each photo is the same size and in the same location as the last, it covers up the photo before it. Be sure to edit all the animation options before moving up to the next photo. Make sure the animation pane is selected, as this should help organize the order and edit the effects of each animated element. You can always check your work during this process by activating your slideshow to check how your slide will look.